shit, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll give you a call when you get back to town. Don't hesitate to call me or send me some text or something. All right, man. Late.
No exceptions.
I think I got it.
Nice.
He's like, yeah, I'd move my other bed into Tina's room.
So we have to put our bags in this thing?
Yeah.
How come? We've already been through TSA.
That's nice.
Well, how? Yeah, but I've already been through agricultural
We
one.
went through agriculture.
To get in here, right?
No, that's carry-on. Check-in bag and then carry-on.
No, but like when I got on the airport in like Honolulu, I had to go through agricultural. I didn't come out of checkpoint, and now I got to put my bag in again. Why?
That's true. I mean, why?
Well, I don't understand.
Yeah. But you went to mainland, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually going to mainland.
But I was already searched when I got on the airport in Honolulu, and I haven't left security, so I don't understand why I go
Go to
through.
mainland.
Yeah, but I was on a flight to the mainland originally.
You can pick up food here.
You can pick up foods here?
Where at? Breastfeed there.
Yeah.
So you couldn't even bring those through?
Cannot.
Why? Okay.
Why do they sell them then? Oh, God.
It's kind of cool.
I go here.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. It's all kind of a con.